G'day, my name's Tomo and welcome to another episode of Tomo's Tune-Ups. On this episode, we are talking about the steady bar bush kits available from Minisport. So there are two different style kits available from Minisport. This is the polyurethane one, so this is just a standard purple bush and it is a firmer bush compared to the standard rubber bush to my side just here. Now, they do offer two standard replacements that you can buy from Minisport. The first one, like I said, is this one here. This is an upgraded polyurethane one. The benefit of using a polyurethane bush is it is a lot firmer, but because it's firmer, it's not gonna last as long. So you're gonna feel those vibrations a little bit more. If you just want that little bit more added effect from the vehicle and drivability, polyurethane is a way to go. So it is a firmer bush, but like I said, the only downside is it's gonna wear out quicker. Now, with a standard rubber bush, they are gonna last a lot longer, but over time, they're gonna become soft and create excessive play. In the kit, you do get 4 bushes, so 4 of these, and you get 2 of these. These spaces do need to go inside here when you are fitting them. The reason for that is they are a crush tube, meaning that when you put the bolt through, if you were to tighten it without this there, it would crush the absolute crap out of these bushes here. So that prevents it from crushing these bushes altogether, hence the term crush tube. So make sure you replace these in doing so. They are really easy items to change. Depending how many stabilizer bars you have on your classic Mini or Moke, you may require 2 kits or you may just require 1. Please take note though that the early 850s ran 2 different sizes in their stabilizer bar. So for instance, this size will go at the front of the vehicle, whereas the larger size at the back towards the firewall does require a different size. So in actual fact, there are 3 different types of stabilizer bar bushes available from Minisport. So make sure to check out the full range at minisport.com.au and we'll see you right here on another episode of Tomo's Tune-Ups.